Fernco QwikSeal. If you can core through it, QwikSeal can connect to it. Core a perpendicular hole to the main line. Using sandpaper or a file, clean and remove any burrs from the opening. Remove the band clamp from the QwikSeal. Fold and insert the QwikSeal into the opening and unfold. Pull up on the QwikSeal until it stops against the inside of the pipe. Measure the depth of the QwikSeal from the pipe stop to the top edge. Use a cut stub with a Fernco coupling or the bell end of a piece of the SDR35. Bevel the leading edge of the pipe stub for easier insertion. Lubricate the QwikSeal and the lateral stub, making sure the lubricant provides a smooth, even coating inside and out. Start the lateral stub into the QwikSeal by hand. Using a hammer and a block of wood, drive the lateral stub to the QwikSeal pipe stop. Install the band clamp at 60-inch pounds of torque. Connect a lateral pipe and check for leaks prior to backfilling. QwikSeal allows you to connect service pipe to corrugated pipe, concrete pipe, SDR35 pipe, and clay pipe.